What's going on, guys? Here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas, coming at you with a construction update of the Daredevil Dive flying machines. Here, as you can see, the ride is all put together, and they got the sign up. That is a cool looking sign too, might I add. I saw a video. They were doing some testing on it. Looks like they still got some construction equipment over there. So looks like they're adding some theming. They got a little queue house going over there, and yeah, they got some good stuff going on. I'm gonna go ahead and get some other shots of the area, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut into those shots right now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this construction update of the Daredevil Dive flying machines. New ride coming for 2020 at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. Theoretically, should be opening in the fall here because coronavirus paused everything, but it's looking pretty good, guys. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment what you think this ride is going to be like. Until next time, guys, we are all clear and out of here. See y'all later.